Good morning from the Dominican Republic. Got a nice refreshing breeze and a little bit of rain here this morning. But other than that, it's an all-around wonderful day. Alright, it's about 20 after 1. And we got a little bit of rock and roll action happening down here at Sosua Beach. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. And in fact, it's a little bit blowing me a little bit. We're way over, look at the airport wall. But it's all good. And down here on the beach, we've got some of the more unique preparations for the hurricane. Those sandbags should stop a lot. Here's our dive boats pulled up on the shore, hopefully safe and sound. See the flags going. We're just going to turn out this way a little bit and have a look at some of that action. Walking right into the wind here, and it's that is one angry Mother Ocean. My hat's getting blown off. It's actually starting to push me around a little bit. I don't even know if you can hear that, but it's pretty cool. What we got going on here? Get out here. Look at some of these waves coming in. It's a pretty angry ocean. I don't think these pictures do this justice at all. Alright, here's the view from the lovely Playa Alicia here in Sosua in the Dominican Republic. Your vacation home away from home, where we don't get any snow. Sometimes a little bit of rain. Here we are walking up to the beach, and you can see some of the incredible hurricane preparations that we go through here in the Dominican Republic. That's a little better. Here's some of the work on Pedro Casante. Nowhere to go.